we are here in Chicago once again. Allie is featured this time. New people every time, I'm telling you. Me and Mary just love to adventure down here. We are on our way to the Riverwalk. We have actually not really been there this year at all, have we?
Haven't.
Ellie,
I've never been.
Ellie, this is her like second time here in Chicago ever. Craziness. Ellie, how do you feel?
Chicago novice.
Here, I'm gonna turn it towards you. What are you most excited for?
Pizza?
Me too.
Obviously, that's a favorite.
Schmack.
Yes.
I'm about
Right.
to do a nice good old schmack dance. Schmack dance. When I eat my pizza.
On camera?
Probably. When I get my pizza, I'll be. Okay, anyway, we are off to the Riverwalk. We will catch up with you guys later. Say bye, peoples.
Rolling with a full tank, wasting gas, sipping on sunset, crushing cans. Little nitty gritty turned up full blast. Yeah, don't get better. Yeah, don't get better. Don't get better than that.
People, we are looking for good places for dessert food. So we want you to comment below. Comment right there. Yeah, new adventure. Wait, where's the camera? Right there. We want to comment places for us to go try in Chicago because we are up for adventurous food. And Bamba Bar is across the highway, therefore we cannot walk there.
Very sad.
Maybe. We probably could. Well, not today. So we need some recommendations.
Yes.
Chicago friends, hit us up. And we're going for pizza now so then we can be hungry for our dessert, which we're gonna get from your recommendations.
Yes.
Speed walking ahead. But you can see the sign. I can zoom in on this thing. Hi, Zano's, my favorite place in the world for deep dish pizza. What kind of pizza do you guys like? Okay, I like cheese.
I like sausage and cheese.
Your official last Chicago deep dish while you're at school.
Sad. That makes me sad. That means it's gotta be the greatest pizza ever.
Yeah,
We are at Paisanos, the infamous, that we always talk about, but we never vlog in here. Taylor's happy.
Taylor's choice.
Yes. We are getting a medium cheese deep dish.
How original.
How original, I know. So stay tuned for our yummy pizza. Here it is, our pizza.
I'm so excited.
Stay tuned if we eat it all. We probably will because we're hungry, but it looks very tasty. Taylor, how is it?
10 out of 10.
All right.
Like,
We are done with our pizza. We are walking to Millennium Park. Allie, what would you give it on a scale from 1 to 10?
Pizza?
Yes.
Probably like an 8.
All right, that's pretty good.
It was pretty good. The crust was hard. That was my only thing.
forgot to ask for extra sauce, so that was my downside. But that's my own fault.
It was a
So
good
good.
start though.
It was delish.
Yes. And now we're gonna go find some dessert. Yeah. Stay tuned. And we're back.
I have been here way too often.
Allie's only been here. It's only her second time. Isn't that wild?
It's on our website. It says The Bean.
Yeah, we live here
live
basically.
Yeah. We live 45 minutes outside of Chicago.
It's like MTV.
Yeah.
Welcome to my home. MTV, welcome to my home.
Here it is, the bean.
Oh, blah.
There's us. We're trying to take a picture in the bean. It's not really working. So there's us. Woo!
It's hot out here.
Alright, wait.
Guys, we're gonna get a picture with the mascot, the wolves.
Maybe. Go over there. I think they're
Okay.
fine.
Oh. I got a picture with the mascot of Jewel, my favorite grocery store behind Mariano's. Wild, it's a little JoJo, little squishy ball. Squishy, squishy, squishy.
What?
Oh yeah. Okay, look at that camera. And then to me. We are on our way to the Igloo store.
It's
What
not
is
even
it?
what it's called, but we don't know how to say it.
A goggle. A Google. I don't know how to spell it. It's something IG, I swear. It's like the little store, the polar bears. And what kind of is it? Wait, you said it's like a Forever 21?
Kind of, yeah.
People, if you've never been to Chicago, this is the stop for you. Look at this Chicago Tribune.
Do you need your picture?
Do you want your picture taken? Oh, bum, ba-da, ba-da, ba-da. Mary in her element, yeah, in her natural habitat, aka the Disney store. As you can see, it's so bright. Oh, there we go. I don't even need my sunglasses anymore. Thank you.
Me and my my natural habitat.
Yes. I can literally say fireworks when I hand. Spider fingers. If you know, you know. Going to my little castle because Pop.
Look at this. I see
Tinkerbell.
it's so tiny in here.
It's made for Tinkerbell, not humans. She's a little fairy. We're about to leave the Disney store.
Empty-handed.
Wah wah. Well, keep shopping. That was a little off on the name. Oh, the kid's looking at me. So I can zoom in anymore. Oh, I'm not even zooming in. I'm just walking closer. Okay, it's Unique Glue, not Igloo. Unique Glue. Unique Glue? Unique Glue. And my favorite place, the Water Tower place. My favorite shopping mall. Well, I actually kind of like Woodfields, but
Yeah, it's a good one too. Though.
Water Tower place is pretty good. I'm pretty sure this used to be the tallest building in Chicago right here. 99% sure. Pearson, for Jack Pearson. Isn't that a person?
My favorite.
This is us. Mary walking into her store. Unique Glow. Unique Glow. Ooh, pretty big up here. Whoa. Mickey Mouse.
Guys, we have a big dog.
Tokyo. Mary is Tokyo. Tokyo to Chicago. Mary has found her section here.
Yeah.
Mickey. 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 Find Mickey. Hidden Mickey. Mickey. Lots of Disney here. It's like we're in Walt Disney right now in Florida. That is cute.
We don't need it though.
Vlog. Who thinks Mary should get that? Me.
How pretty it is.
Big trick is getting my head in that.
So there's the tourist. It is. No one's waving. That's sad.
Wah wah.
Well, we are headed to the Riverwalk.
We are.
We're gonna go get some gelato.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We should probably check make sure it's not the vlog actually.
All right, catch you later. We made it to the Riverwalk.
I talked to some kid,
We've never been to this side of the Riverwalk. We're under. There's the road up there. Look at that. So cool.
I can't do that.
Me either. We're gonna go take a picture by
No,
it.
and Archie so, no Taylor.
Maddie, if you're watching this, there's the pigeons. Taylor's gonna go make friends with them. We don't like birds though. We made it to the gelato place. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, it's like a splash pad. That's so cool. So stay tuned for our yummy ice cream. Woo. Look how yummy that looks. Or cookies and cream, raspberry sorbet.
We got an Oreo on top.
It's delicious.
I did not do the raspberry, but I
It is so cute down here, so pretty. We could sit here all day.
So tired.
We are adventuring out. We've
More
never been to this
pictures.
part of Chicago.
We are just looking for these spots. I love my pictures.
Oh my gosh, look at that little arch. That's so cute. Man, look at us. Always finding new things to do here. I want to do that so bad. That looks so much fun. They're jamming. Living. Allie's putting a band-aid on her blister. Taylor's still jamming up there.
Yeah. This is so.
This is adorable. Oh my gosh, these are so cute.
Did you get like a?
That was like the cutest place I've ever been in. Look at that. It's adorable.
I am literally in love with this place. It's so cute. Oh my god. I want to come here and take pictures of the wall.
Yes, it's very Pinteresty.
It is my kind of rush for cafe.
Update, we have found more things to take pictures in front of. Taylor's in there.
Insta-worthy.
Insta-worthy. Yeah. It's kind of exploring and waiting for the train. You gonna put your feet in? Oh, there she goes.
Oh, I feel so good.
It's so
I feel
cute.
so refreshed. Now I'm ready for the rest of the walk. I think that lady wants to yell.
Patrol over there. She's gonna come get you.
I'm a rebel.
Update, we have stops for yet another drink. Some lemonade.
You
It's
have
so
to.
hot.
Gotta stay
Iced tea and
hydrated.
lemonade.
Gotta stay hydrated in this Panera lemonade. We had a great time down here today. My phone has lasted. It's at like 5%, but it's making it. Mary and Allie were smart and brought portable chargers, but mine is still dead because I forgot to charge it again. So yeah, we'll keep updated on the train and show you some pictures maybe. Yeah, any last comments, you guys?
This is our last vlog before Taylor leaves, which is so sad.
Ellie got to be featured in. You should be so happy.
I'm so honored.
I'm really sad. So vlog, if Mary makes any more vlogs without me, just put my head in there. I'll always be here spiritually and emotionally
Yep.
and physically. I mean, I'll come back. Not going off the face of the earth. Okay, this is a long vlog part. I'm gonna peace it out for now. Bye-bye.
We are sprinting to the train once again. Never make it on time. We have 5 minutes left. We are almost there.
This always happens to us every time. We think we're out of time and then we're like, oh, we have plenty of time. And then we're like, oh my God, the train leaves in 5 minutes. We're 5 blocks away.
We made it on the train.
Taylor.
There's Allie. We are all back together again. Jam session on the train.
What song is that?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Hello,
We
vlog.
made it
We're
back.
Me and Mary are having some bladder issues. We have to pee so bad. This lighting is not good. Here, wait. Where's our car? Here, wait.
Car's
can you see
up there, sure.
Okay, you guys. Oh my God, my hair. We're gonna go back in the dark. No one wants to see this. Okay, so we're ending the vlog. Mary, are you sad?
It's our last vlog.
Ellie, are you sad? But don't worry, you guys. We will be back.
Well, we can do combo vlogs still.
And we're gonna just, yeah, we'll share our knowledge from different states. Kansas and Illinois.
Allie and I will vlog too.
This makes me so sad. I'm sorry I'm leaving you guys. But never forever. I'll be back sooner than you know it. Okay, we have to pee.
Yeah, really bad.
And
All right.
from us saying, safe
Safe
travels.
travels.
I'm sad. Wow, that's depressing.